Hello, all. Welcome to the day 9 of the daily case study series for Cbse grade 12. Today's question goes like this: a rectangular visiting card is to contain 24 square centimeter of printed matter. The margins at the top and the bottom of the card are to be 1 centimeter, and the margins on the left and the right are 1.5 centimeter each, as shown below. On the basis of the above information, answer the following questions. Subdivision 1. Write the expression for the area of the visiting card in terms of x. So the very first line in the question says a rectangular visiting card is to contain 24 square centimeter of the printed matter. That is this area, which is pink in color. This is 24 centimeter square. The dimension of that area is x and y. So area of printed matter is 24 centimeter square, which is xy is 24. From here I get y, which is equal to 24 by x. The subdivision 1 says write an expression for the area of the visiting card, entire visiting card. So the dimensions of the visiting card, length is equal to x plus 1.5 on either side, which is x plus 3, and breadth is equal to y plus 1 plus 1 on top and bottom, which is equal to y plus 2. So area of the visiting card is length into breadth, which is x plus 3 times y plus 2. Instead of y, let us substitute x, that is 24 by x plus 2. On multiplying, we get 24 plus 72 by x plus 2x plus 6. That is 30 plus 72 by x plus 2x. So this is the expression for the area of the visiting card in terms of x. Second subdivision, obtain the dimensions of the card of minimum area. So to proceed, let us differentiate a of x d by dx of 30 plus 72 times x power minus 1 plus 2x, which is 2 minus 72 by x square. Let's put this a dash to 0. 2 minus 72 by x square is equal to 0. 72 by x square is equal to 2. 2x square is equal to 72. So x square is 36. That is, x can take plus 6 and x equal to minus 6. X equal to minus 6 stands invalid as length can't be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 6 is the critical point. But still we don't know whether this is going to give us a minimum area. So let's go further. Differentiating this a dash of x again, we get d by dx of 2 minus 72 into x power minus 2. That is minus 72 into minus 2 by x cube, which is 144 by x cube. Now a double dash of x at x equal to 6 is equal to 144 by 6 cube. I am not calculating it further, but we know this is positive value. Since a double dash of x is positive, x equal to 6 is the local minima, which implies the area is minimum at x equal to 6. Now that I know x value, let us get what is y. Y is 24 by 6, which is 4 centimeter. So the dimensions of the card is one is x plus 3, that is 6 plus 3, which is 9 centimeter, and breadth wise it is y plus 2, which is 6 centimeter. Let's meet tomorrow with another case study question. Thank you all.